Welcome to the Anaheim Convention Center campus, home to the West Coast's largest convention center. The Anaheim campus also offers 4 world-class hotels, including the Anaheim Marriott, the Hilton Anaheim, the Sheraton Park Hotel at the Anaheim Resort, and the Westin Anaheim Resort, to be completed in 2020. These spectacular hotels offer a variety of business amenities and a luxurious stay, all connected by palm tree-lined plazas. Whether you're traveling for pleasure or attending a convention or meeting of any size, the Anaheim campus is also within a half-mile of a variety of hotels totaling nearly 10,000 guest rooms. Attendees can walk everywhere to work, stay, and even play. There are many options for dining, entertainment, shopping, and nightlife, all right here. With more than 100 restaurants, check out one of Anaheim's craft breweries or grab a cocktail and listen to live music at Anaheim's new House of Blues. All of these elements make Anaheim Southern California's premier destination for everything from meetings and conventions to leisure and social events. An inspiring setting in which you can work and play, connect and relax. Experience sun-soaked California with the convenience of a meeting destination that's just steps from where you'll want to be.